What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and here we go again with another episode of some shop action. And today I got a Ram in the shop that's getting some pretty cool little upgrades done to it. Let's go check it out. Here we go. Boom, right there. We have a Monster Ram, a Banks Monster Ram intake right there, alongside with a Fleece Cheetah turbo, upgraded turbo right there. Very, very nice. That is the Ram currently being worked on. We got our tech right there. Mr. Gus, what you got? How you doing? Yeah, there we go. Featuring the FNG. The FNG, if you don't know what that means, Google it. But he's right there hard at work, getting everything torn apart, getting ready to install this bad boy right here. This right here, I love the combination of this only because this Ram is gonna get optimum airflow, and we're gonna help clean up that grid heater that gets filled with carbon. So she is gonna be a beauty. Love it, love seeing it. Our guys love it. Every time a technician is installing one of these products, they do it with confidence. They know they're doing the truck and the client justice by having this installed into the client's truck. So we love it. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that we feature here on our shop action episode, always feel free to reach out. We love talking to you guys about everything we do. Thank you. Peace.